Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm being sneaky because I've already done this eye. So today we're gonna go ahead and create another look. So guess what? If you want to see what look I create here on here, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Ta-da! So I went ahead and I created this look using these two palettes from Makeup by Yolondo. This one is the Sunset Solutions and this one is the Mixxy Mauves. I don't know, Mixxy Mauves is like purple. And then this one, I actually just use one shade in here. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. My lids are already primed. So I'm gonna go ahead. What's the blush? What is the blush that I use? I don't know. Like I've been on the phone talking to my cousin and just taking forever. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this shit. Do this palette? No, they don't really have names. So I'm just gonna use the darkest purple in here, which is this shade. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And I'm using an M505 from yeah, from Morphe. This shirt is like just like falling off of me because your girl is like working out and just losing like a little bit of weight, nothing crazy, but so now my top want to come and try to embarrass me. But I refuse to buy any clothes till I get to the weight that I want to be at, if that makes sense. Okay, so let's go. So I just put this purple right here. So, and man, her shadows are just so pigmented, like it's so good. See, cause I like that purple, cause when I put it, I know you can't really see the purple except like over here, but when I blend the orange with it, I kind of got like a really kind of like brown kind of shade, which I liked. So I know, I'm not sure why I'm doing this, but I like this look. When I first was gonna create this look, I was gonna go for more of a purple look, but I really like how this came out. So put this here. Now we're gonna go into this palette, and I'm gonna go to this shade right here. Like I mix these two, and we just kind of see, I'm going back to this eye. I just use this to blend all this. I feel like this brush might be, this is a what? A T12, but I feel like the T12 is too big. I'm gonna go ahead and use this 01 brush from Rephr. I feel like that would be a better brush to do that. I like that shade that this did with this. It's like it's almost did like a brown shade. Yeah. Or I could have just used the brown, but that's fine. That's what makeup is. You play with those shades that you have to get the shades that you want. I'm sure I have a brown shade somewhere, but it's all good. Now I'm gonna go and clean it up. And I'm using my cold cream from Pond's. You have to be careful with this because this is a makeup remover, so that can just take off everything. So you have to be like super careful with that. Shadi just cleaned this up so nicely, like. And that is that for the cold cream. Now I'm gonna just take a wipe. Now I'm just gonna go in with my base, and I'm using base B from P. Louise, not P. Louise, Makeup by Yolondo, and I'm using my, right after I wipe it off, I'm using my cut crease brush from Showstoppers. I have the C10 brushes from Makeup by Yolondo, but man, I cannot get it to be flat. So in the meantime, I'll be using this. See? This is gonna annoy me. I'm just like stamping this so it's like nice and smooth. I'm just gonna leave this damn top like this. Pretty soon it's gonna stay exactly like that. Now I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is so creamy. Why do I keep going back to this? I almost broke this. And I know I'm bringing my cut crease like really high because, you know, my eyelid is kind of small, so I have to like make it work. Okay, so now that I've done that, see I leave a little space over here. I'm gonna go back into this brush, which is the M505, and I'm gonna go back to that purple that I used, the first shade, and I'm just gonna like tap it like right here. So you just kind of like work that purple into that blue to just, you know, make it be nice and seamless. Take my wipe, the little wipe I was using. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I'm just gonna clean. So now we're just gonna move on. I'm gonna do my lash. I'm gonna use my Rare Beauty pencil or liner. And I'm gonna take my glue from Duo Lashes or Duo Glue. Just dry this a little bit. Okay. So now this had to stay and do it thing. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna prime my lid. I'm gonna prime my face with this from Soul. I like how this feels. Like it's nice and cooling. Touch in Soul. And I like the smell. It smells like roses. Feels so good, and it's a little bit tacky, which is perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna use this E21 right here just to put on a little bit of bric-a-brac right here. And a little bit under here. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my Shein foundation. Which one is that? Cappuccino. One. And I'm gonna use golden. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna use my 732 brush from Luxie. Let's put this on my hands because I feel like I'm gonna drop this. So like so. I know my top is like, let's just leave it here. It'll be off shoulder. This foundation is so good. The only thing is I have to mix it, but it's fine. I think there was a shade between those two shades, which is the shade I should have gotten, but they were pretty inexpensive, so it's all good in the hood. My skin have actually been doing very well lately, so because I'm also not testing anything new, and it likes that. When I start going crazy with the new stuff, it's like, whoa, Decima, what are you doing? Like, I don't do this. I know my shirt is just gonna stay like this because it's annoying to be putting it up like every second like this. And I'm gonna use my tan sand from Tarte. I've been using this from Danessa Myricks, and I feel like I got too much of a dark shade, but you know, we're gonna go in there again. And I'm using this brush from Real Technique. It's a square foundation brush, but I'm using it for the foundation. So dark this is. And I'm gonna use my E34 from Morphe to blend this out. I think when I blend it out, it's not too bad, but it takes a little, you know, a little work and a little finessing to fix this. Now I'm gonna take my E20 from Morphe, and then we're gonna blend that concealer, which I think I leave for too long, but it's fine. And stamping your concealer is the way to go because it just gives you so much more coverage. I mean, you can drag it if you want. I'm just telling you what works for me. So whenever I blend that contour, it's not too crazy, but I think it's just the amount of work it takes for me to actually blend it to work, which is kind of annoying, but it's like, so see, it's just not too bad. It is not too bad whenever you can get it blended, but before that, it's a mess. I don't know, I'm still on the fence with this powder from like Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know, I feel like it's just super yellow, and maybe I should have gotten a lighter shade. I may not like it. Then I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury powder to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna leave my shit like this, you know, till I'm like done with this video, because I'm not gonna spend like all day just going, you know, back and forth trying to like fix this because it's annoying. And I'm gonna use this brush by Crown, and I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Yolondo base. I look like a whole mess with my shirt like this, but I'm not gonna spend all day trying to like figure this out. I'm gonna use this E11 from ColourPop, and we're just gonna go in, and I'm gonna go in with this dark purple. That was intense. This top needs to not drop, because then I don't think YouTube is ready for all this. So let's just make sure my top stays up and we're Gucci. Now we're gonna go to Sunset Solution right after I dust off that purple, because I do have a lot of fallout from that. Well, not a lot, but I do have some fallout from that purple. I'm gonna use Cuff from Urban Decay, which is just a silver pencil. Now let's go to Miss Sunset Solution, and we're gonna go to that orange shade. Now we're gonna go back into that purple. We're gonna go back to that really light shade, and pretty much I'm just gonna bring it down. Just my powder brush. Now I'm gonna go to my Ruce blush. Nope, not this. And I'm gonna use Maya Milk Cosmetics medium to dark bronzer. This brush is so fluffy and so good for this. No, I'm gonna use this shade right here, my nose, or to contour my nose. I don't go too crazy with my nose contour. So this is from Zoeva, and I'm using an ABH brush. Now where's my sponge? I'm just gonna go into my powder on my dirty sponge. Oh, my eyes are kind of bold, so maybe I shouldn't go too bold on the lip, you know, just not too bold. But we'll see, because you know I have problems. I'm gonna use Lip Contour 2.0 from Huda Beauty. I don't know what to put on here. Let's play it cool. It's kind of a nude. Oh, and that's from Dose of Colors. Okay, we're almost done. I just need to, you know, dust off this powder. What is my earrings? To find something to put on my hair. So yeah, I don't know what's happening to this hair. So that's it, guys, for this video. I actually really have fun, you know, just sitting here and playing with your makeup, chatting with you guys. You already know this is my happy place. I come, you know, and I create some, you know, nice. I really like how this looks came out, or this look came out today. So that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. You know, we have fun over here. No drama. I create, you know, amazing looks. And see you in my next video. Bye, guys. I never wanna give